I wanted to become the best version of me that I could be. And of course, in Priyanka Chopra style, along the way, I wanted to smash and break every obstacle that came my way, which
Smash means to break something forcefully or with a lot of impact. It can also mean to succeed in something dramatically or completely. Obstacles are things that block or hinder progress or movement.
I did. But that does not mean that the glass ceiling.
Glass ceiling refers to an invisible barrier that prevents people, especially women and minorities, from advancing to higher positions in a hierarchy despite their qualifications.
Doesn't exist. Of course it exists. And countless of women and men, mostly women, run into it in their professional and personal lives. And I'm sure a lot of you can vouch for that right now.
Vouch means to confirm or support the truth or accuracy of something based on personal knowledge or experience.
The Oxford Dictionary definition of the glass ceiling is an unacknowledged barrier to advancement in a
An unacknowledged barrier is a hidden or unrecognized obstacle that prevents progress or communication. It exists but is not openly admitted or addressed.
profession, especially affecting women and members of minorities from rising beyond a certain level in a hierarchy.
Hierarchy means a system in which people or things are ranked at different levels based on importance or authority.
And this metaphor was first coined by
A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two unrelated things to suggest they are alike, without using like or as.
feminists in reference to barriers in careers of high-achieving women. So why did I choose it as my topic for today if I hated it so much? Because I hope, through my experiences, I can present to you the tools to live your dream and to not make that glass ceiling that is defined by society, largely patriarchal.
Patriarchal refers to a system or society where men hold the majority of power and authority.
As your goal. I want you to aim higher because you know you can. And it's honestly all I did. Every step of the way, all I did was set a higher standard. How did I get here? By being fierce, by being fearless, and by being flawed.
Fierce means very strong, intense, or aggressive.
Completely and utterly flawed.
Utterly flawed means completely or totally imperfect or incorrect.
As millennials, we don't like to be told what to do. So this is a gentle nudge in the right direction.
Nudge. In English, a gentle push or encouragement to prompt action or behavior.
There's only one you, okay? Because there's no one like you. And I don't mean the superfluous, superficial parts.
Superfluous, something unnecessary or excessive, more than what is needed. Superficial means something that is only concerned with or related to the surface, shallow, or not deep in nature.
I'm talking about the core of you, who you are inside, your values, your beliefs, your flaws. And once you understand who really that person is, you would have taken the first step in finding your unique self. And that is the best version of you. Who am I really? Most often, we don't allow ourselves the ability to dream beyond our imagination. We don't allow ourselves to think about the future because we are afraid of change. We are afraid to move away from what is familiar. Either that or sometimes, we are too rigid to let our dreams evolve. Loosen up. Shake it off a little bit. Change is the only constant thing in life, and you are never too old or never too experienced to learn something new.